Oh, gross. Ew. Ew. Okay. I need to. Gross. I need more. I need more tissues. Oh. Gross. So the plague is kind of like, we're getting there, I guess. But it's still happening. I meant for this to be a talkie, and then I completely forgot to talk. But these are like super gross and messy. I'm definitely more congested than I was before. Like before it was like, oh wait, excuse me, sorry, I'm definitely gonna sneeze soon. Oh, gross. Oh, whew. I think I'm getting there. And it's only been a week. But God, I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on. I'm ready for it to be over. Alright, I have a doctor's appointment coming up, a virtual visit, so I really hope that this stops before then. Because I don't want to be like this on the call. So I'm gonna end this now. I'm gonna do a nose blowing video and then call it quits for right now. Thank you. And y'all stay safe out there.